सर पैसा बहुत है हमारे पास, खाली हमको प्यार चाहिए.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel with Purandar Cyclist Club. I'm Sam C. And today, I'm thrilled to share with you an incredible adventure. A 1500-kilometer cycling journey across Saurashtra, exploring iconic destinations like the Statue of Unity, Dwarka, Somnath, and Girnar. This is part 1, where we'll take you through the exhilarating ride from Pune to the Statue of Unity over the first 4 days. As the first light of dawn broke over Pune, the Purandar Cyclist Club gathered to begin an epic journey 1500 kilometers from Pune to Saurashtra. Our journey began at the historic Bhakti Shakti in Pune, where we received an incredible send-off. Gajanan Kher and his enthusiastic team from the IAS group joined us to extend their best wishes, fueling our spirits with their encouraging words.
आपका रास्ता कैसा रहेगा? कौन से गांव से जाने वाले, कौन से शहर लगने वाले? रास्ता डांबर रहेगा. डांबरी से जाएंगे हम सब. पुणे, शिवाजी नगर और एक्सप्रेस हाईवे. इतने संख्या में भारत में पहली वेळेस इतने ताकत से मराठी जा रहे. विश्वाचा रिकॉर्ड ये तुटने वाला है. इतने ताकत सब बाजू से घुसेंगे.
Each rider brought unique energy, determination, and spirit to this adventure. Let me introduce the incredible team behind this journey. Yes, first one is Santosh Sandy, founder of this group, Shuhas, a great coordinator, Shantanu a rider planner, Prasanna, Anil, Gabber, Prithviraj, Abba, Manoj, again Santosh Bedumal, Sankit, Sanjay, Sivram, Rahul, Lalik, Sujit, Sadir, Karen, Ashok, Dada Amkar, and myself, Sampit Chaudhary. Sharing this unforgettable journey with such an amazing team is a dream come true. Our first day's ride took us from Pune to Ghodbunder, Mumbai, a journey filled with excitement and challenges. We made a memorable stop at Lonavala 0 Mile for a quick photo session before continuing through the scenic Bor Ghats. Navigating through Mumbai's bustling traffic was no easy feat, but the energy of the group kept us going strong. By evening, around 7 p.m., we reached Ghodbunder, marking the successful completion of day 1 with smiles and a sense of accomplishment. Every morning before starting our ride, we chant this mantra, which translates to a prayer for protection in various situations like disputes, sadness, negligence, travel, water, fire, mountains, enemies, and forests. This powerful mantra is dedicated to Goddess Durga, seeking her blessings and guidance to keep us safe and strong throughout our journey. On day 2, we started cycling early at 4 a.m. and covered an incredible 200 kilometers, reaching Navsari in Gujarat. The day was challenging, especially as we entered Gujarat, where we were greeted by cold weather. Along the way, the warmth of the Gujarati people was heartening as many welcomed us on the road, making this leg of the journey truly memorable. On day 3, We started cycling early at 5 a.m. and covered around 160 kilometers, reaching Rajpipla, just 21 kilometers away from the Statue of Unity. One special moment each morning was when my co-rider Abba, a deeply religious person, sang the bhajan, Kakad Arti, for an hour. It filled the mornings with devotion and positivity, setting the tone for the day ahead.
Hey Bhola Shankara, Hey Bhola Shankara, आवड तुला बेलाची, आवड तुला बेलाची, बेलाच्या पानाची. हे भोळा शंकरा, हे भोळा शंकरा, गळ्यामध्ये रुद्राक्षांच्या माळा, लाविले तू भस्म कपाळा, गळ्यामध्ये रुद्राक्षांच्या माळा, लाविले तू भस्म कपाळा. तुला बेलाच्या पानाची, हे भोळा शंकरा, हे भोळा शंकरा, महादेवा, हे भोळा शंकरा, आवड तुला बेलाची, आवड तुला बेलाची, बेलाच्या पानाची, हे भोळा शंकरा, हे भोळा शंकरा, हे भोळा शंकरा.
Day 4 was incredibly exciting as we were just 25 kilometers away from the iconic Statue of Unity. We began our ride early at 5 a.m., as usual, and were greeted by a serene and vibrant morning. The sky was painted with reddish clouds, creating a breathtaking scene as we pedaled towards the land of the Iron Man of India. As we approached the Statue of Unity, the beauty of the surroundings left us in awe. The statue, standing tall at 182 meters, is a sight to behold, majestically set against the backdrop of the Satpura and Vindhyachal mountain ranges. As we cycled closer, the reddish glow of the morning sun lit up the area, adding a magical touch to the serene beauty of the Narmada River flowing gracefully nearby. The landscape was vibrant, with lush greenery and the sound of nature creating a peaceful yet exhilarating atmosphere. The Narmada Sarovar, a key feature of this region, added to the charm with its shimmering waters reflecting the grandeur of the statue. The dam, an engineering marvel, not only supports millions through irrigation and hydropower but also enhances the scenic appeal of the area. The approach to the Statue of Unity is designed to be as breathtaking as the monument itself. The statue stands as a symbol of strength and unity, inspiring everyone who visits. The surrounding attractions, like the Valley of Flowers, further highlight the harmony between human achievement and nature. This journey was more than just a ride. It was an experience of India's cultural and natural beauty at its finest. The Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue at 182 meters, is a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, who played a crucial role in uniting the country after independence. Located in Kevadia, Gujarati, this iconic monument stands proudly near the banks of the Narmada River, symbolizing strength, unity, and dedication to the nation. Its construction was initiated under the visionary leadership of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, who envisioned it as a beacon of national pride and global recognition. The Statue of Unity was inaugurated on the 31st of October 2018 and has since become a major tourist destination. Surrounding it is the Narmada Sarovar Dam, another marvel that highlights India's engineering capabilities. The dam, part of the Sardar Sarovar project, provides water for drinking and irrigation to several states and supports hydropower generation, playing a significant role in regional development. This tourist destination has immense benefits, It boosts the local economy by creating jobs and opportunities for the surrounding communities. It also promotes cultural heritage, with attractions like the museum dedicated to Sardar Patel, the Valley of Flowers, and the viewing gallery offering panoramic views of the Narmada River and dam. The area is now a hub for ecotourism, encouraging sustainable development. The Statue of Unity and Narmada Sarovar stand as testaments to India's progress, honoring our history while inspiring future generations. And so, we conclude the first leg of our epic cycling journey, reaching the magnificent Statue of Unity. This part of the ride has been nothing short of extraordinary, filled with challenges, stunning landscapes, and unforgettable experiences. From the bustling roads of Mumbai to the serene banks of the Narmada River, every moment was a testament to the determination and spirit of our team. Reaching this iconic monument, a symbol of strength and unity, was both humbling and inspiring. But this is just the beginning of our adventure. The second leg of our journey will take us toward the sacred and historic destinations of Dwarka and Somnath. We're excited to explore more beautiful landscapes and create new memories along the way. Stay tuned for part 2 of this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to follow us as we continue this unforgettable ride.